concealer is in my, stop, what am I saying? Hello everybody. How are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. I just got out of surgery. Alright, today we are doing a plastic surgery obsessed mama. We're ready to go under. I mean, we already had a nose job, we already got lip filler. We're just ready to do whatever the heck else this is. Alright, thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. We are going to show you exactly how to achieve this look right here on my face. Why do I feel like I look like a clown? Because I kind of do. So let's walk you through what's happening. I had a nose job. They obviously had to break my nose, that's why my eyes are bruised. And then I had lip filler everywhere. And then I'm just, adding filler, sucking some skin back. Actually I've gotten nothing done. But today we are making this. This is a fun little costume or fun little Instagram post idea. If you want to learn how to do this look, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off by foundation. I'm using my amazing foundation fish brush to apply LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the color beige. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer and I'm making sure that everything is brightened. This is going to be a super plastic, fake, beautiful look, so you're going full glam on this face. Now I'm going in with powder and I'm just making sure everything is set and ready to go. And then I'm going to go in and bronze everything up, like my cheeks, my temples, my jaw, and my forehead. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour up my big schnoz noggin. Then I'm grabbing the Remember Me palette and I'm going into the color Soul, and I'm using that around my dark circles. We're going to create some bruising. So this is how you use colors to create a bruise. Actually, what I found is the Remember Me palette has the perfect colors for a bruise. Alright, now I am putting some red shadow on my eyelids. I'm going to do a pretty glam look. I'm using the color Lovesick from the Remember Me palette for my base. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the color Frisky on top of that to make it shimmer and blend it out just a touch. Then I'm dipping into the color Noir, and I'm going to use that as my crease color. So as you can see, I'm putting it, starting on my outer corner and pulling that into where my pupil is. And then I'm going to blend that out with the colors that I've already used. And honestly, for this, you just blend and blend and blend and blend and blend until it starts to incorporate. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and go on top of that crease color with the shade Maturity, and that is just to give a little bit more definition and a little bit more edge. Now I'm just cleaning up with my little beauty blender to make sure everything is perfectly perfect. Now I'm gonna just fill in my eyebrows. I'm using my Riase eyebrow pencil in the shade Black Brown. Honestly, this spoolie is a game changer. It literally saves my life every time. Now I'm using my little bitty beauty blender to just clean up those edges and make finishing touches. Ooh, they are sisters, not twins. Of course, I gotta put on my chapstick. This is in the grape flavor and it's amazing. Now I'm gonna go into my Hollywood and Vine matte lip liner in the shade 241 and outline my lippy lips. You wanna make it look like you've got filler in, so you wanna really over exaggerate that pout, mamacita. I'm just cleaning the inside of my lips because I don't love to put on lip color with foundation on my lips. Now I'm filling in my lips with number 1 on my Black and White Cosmetics lipsticks. Guys, this is my ride or die. It is stunning, it is creamy, it is amazing. Then I'm just gonna go in and add some definition with my Hollywood and Vine matte crayon in 252. Now back to the Remember Me. I'm dipping into Coquette very, very lightly, and I'm just putting that right on the ring of where that bruise is gonna be. Then I'm jumping into the color Adventurer and adding a little bit more green to that nasty bruise. Right, now we're gonna jump into Amethyst and add that purple shade up close to the eye and blend it all out. Let me tell ya, this is cute. 10 out of 10 would wear this on a casual Tuesday. And now we're dipping into Noir, and we're just gonna fill in that deepen under eye just a touch. Don't go overboard on the Noir. I just wanted to add in a little bit of that yellow because it got a little bit lost in translation, so I just dipped into full one more time. Now take a beauty blender and blend everything all in to make it look like it's part of your skin. I'm using the part of the blender that has foundation on, so it kind of gives a little cast over top. Now I'm using my favorite eyeliner ever, the IOU Line Plus Dual Ended Liner, and making a beautiful glam wingy wing. gonna pop on some super fluffy lashes and get lash glue all over my eyeball. Don't worry, it comes off, and even if you don't want to wipe it off, it dries clear, so there's not really anything to worry about. I'm using my Duo lash glue, and this is the blue kind. Alright, I'm just going to go into my favorite highlighting shade and add that onto my lid to make it a little bit shimmerier and kind of stand out just a little bit. This is the top left corner. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to my brow bone as a highlight. Ooh, it kind of looks pretty, but now time for the fun. You're just going to add arrows, X's, lines, kind of whatever you feel like. You can go on Google and look up plastic surgery, kind of see what they draw. I really went overboard because I wanted the effect to really pack a punch. I don't know if any of this actually means anything, but I was kind of just looking at my face and like, oh, you could pull it here. I hate my chin here. I want this gone. We need to fill in these lines. That could go up, but then the chin's going down. So, you know, it's just, we don't really know what's happening. And then I want a cheek filler, you know? I don't know if they do that anyway. Not a clue what is happening. Then make sure your little patch fits on your face. And then we're gonna go ahead and bloody up your nose. I'm using a matte lipstick, and this is actually like a beautiful color. It is this red, and then I'm adding in a red brown as well. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. After I pick my nose, I'm putting on some mascara to kind of make it look like dried blood. And then I'm gonna go ahead, ew, that's so gross, and put the red lipstick back on top of that to make it a little bit more red. And that should give you the effect of a gross bloody nose. All right, I wanted some lip injections too. I really don't know where they inject you, but we went overboard. They injected us everywhere. Yum. All right, go ahead and tape on your nose bandage so that you heal correctly. I think it's called a nose cast. I don't know. I don't do plastic surgery. All of this is real. You didn't believe it. All right, that is how you're going to achieve this look right here. Aren't we beautiful? Everything that you see on my face can be purchased on breemaquillage.com, apart from this concealer and this like nose situation, but you can just buy medical tape from Walmart. It's like $1. Anyway, so you can buy everything that you saw today. The true heroes of today's story are the Remember Me palette, of course. Honestly, if you're gonna be following along with any of my Halloween looks, I definitely remember this, recommend this, and also the IOU dual-ended eyeliner. Definitely recommend those two if you guys are going to be following along with any of my looks, because you will see them over and over and over and over again. Also, we have concealer, foundation brushes, and the Duo beauty sponge, which you will see a lot in these 31 days. Oh, and this. You've probably seen this in every single look that I've done for the past year. It's amazing. It's flawless. This also has a blush. But those are all found on my website, so make sure you shop the link below if you want to achieve any of these looks. I'm so excited. I love this. Should I go to Walmart? Actually, this is probably gonna stain, but I love a realistic looking blood situation. Thank you so much for watching the 31 Days of Halloween with your Hello Queen, me, Bree. Please check out our other socials below. I am very active on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. You're on YouTube. Hey, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Perfect.